Hello everyone and welcome to Mini Model World. It's that time of year, the nights are drawing in, the air's getting cold, there's pumpkins appearing everywhere, Halloween's just round the corner, so I've decided to make a teeny tiny Halloween themed campsite for no other reason than it looks super cute. So you're going to need a few things for this. A piece of cardboard for your base, it doesn't matter what size it is, I've gone 12 by 10 just so I've got room to put all my teeny weeny accessories on. Some green paint and some modelling scatter and leaves. It's from a company called Woodland Scenics. Some reindeer moss. This was just from Hobbycraft. I got a big box for a few pounds. It's great because it clumps together so you can make little bushes and things out of it. And other accessories are teeny weeny polymer clay cup. I made this one myself and it's got some cushion fillings in to make the steam, a little polymer clay pumpkin, a little stool or table. This was from another fairy garden kit. It's just literally a slice of a twig, but it's super cute and would make a lovely little table for a fairy. And some little leaves that I've made with a leaf-shaped paper punch. The accessory I'm most proud of is this teeny weeny cauldron. This is actually made out of a poppy seed head. I emptied the poppy seeds out, just painted it black, and then it's actually soaked in a bit, but there's red along the bottom for flames of the fire. And then I'm just going to put some cushion stuffing in the top for steam from whatever is cooking in this Halloween night. So I'll just show you how to make the base. So to make the base, which will end up looking like this, I'll apply a layer of acrylic paint. I got this from Wilko's, it was a couple of pounds. I've had it for about 4 years and it's still absolutely fine because I don't use it all that much. So I'll put a dollop of paint on there and then just spread it out with a brush to cover it all. And then while the paint's still wet, just sprinkle on, this is coarse turf mixed with some leaves, some tiny modelling leaves from Woodland Scenics. So you just sprinkle that all over. For grass you can put on as much or as little as you like, but you must make sure you do it when the paint's wet, or if you want to put more on and make sure all of it sticks, wait until the paint dries and then add a layer of Mod Podge or just PVA glue and then pop it on top of there. You've got to be careful once it's on not to move it or it will clump up. So I just sprinkle it all over. So while that's drying, it won't take very long to dry, you can make some tiny leaves. So I use this one, FCO hole punch, that's leaf shaped, and I've just got some red and yellow card, and you just punch out a few of these. There's loads of different shaped leaves and flowers available. I got this from Amazon, I think it was less than £5, and I've used it for loads of different crafting projects. So I'll get the base that's already dry, and then we can sprinkle some leaves on. So they're very cute, very small. You can actually use this hole punch with actual leaves if you want to make them look more realistic. But I'll just spread some, oops, missed. I'll just spread some around the edges. And then it's time to add the accessories. So I've made this tiny teepee. There's a link in the video to how to do it, although it is for a slightly larger teepee. This one, the base measures 4 centimetres by 4 centimetres. I've covered a piece of cardboard with a piece of paper and then used kebab sticks for the pole. The kebab sticks are 8 centimetres tall, and then glued on some cloth. It was actually a fabric sample from Etsy, and tied up the top with some green string. So it takes about 10 minutes to make. It's super easy. There is a link to a larger one for a dollhouse below, but you can use the measurements I've just given to make one for a fairy garden, or have a bigger one in your fairy garden. So I'm going to pop that in the corner of this tiny fairy campsite. There's a polymer clay pumpkin that I made. There's loads of tutorials online for making things like this. my cauldron, a little stool or table with my tiny polymer clay cup with a steaming hot cup of cocoa on it, and then just a few rocks to make it look a little bit more realistic. I'll just move these out of the way slightly and add my little reindeer moss bush there. A few more leaves over here, and that's it. So it doesn't take very long at all. The longest thing is the teepee, but once that's made you can put it all together in a matter of minutes. So it's super cute, super fun to make. It would make a great table centerpiece for Halloween, and you could make it as spooky as you like. There's no reason why you couldn't have a few gravestones or the ghost, a few more pumpkins, maybe a pumpkin cloth on the teepee, maybe even a little witch inside the teepee. The options are limitless, really. So thank you for watching today. I hope this has inspired you to get some spooky crafting done for Halloween, and I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm Sarah from Mini Model World, and see you later. Bye!